Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sushma Sarala, consulting homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. Now let's get into the risk factors for psoriasis. The primary, the most common and the most prevalent one is the family history. For example, if your grandmother or grandfather, paternal or maternal, mother or father, your sisters or your siblings are suffering from psoriasis, then you have a higher risk of developing psoriasis under certain conditions. Usually people who have family history do have a higher risk, and also the risk will get more, and that means you will get more prevalent for psoriasis under these circumstances, like certain medications. For example, you are using a lot of corticosteroids and you're suddenly stopping these corticosteroids. People who are using medications for hypertension, that is high BP, if they stop these medications, or if they are using medications from a longer period of time, from a very young age, if they are prone to infections, if you are having low immunity and you're continuously being affected, you're having low immunity and you're prone to infections, injuries, if you have any sort of cuts, if you have any sort of a little bit of burn also, that can also trigger a psoriasis or a psoriasis plaque in the body, and this is called as Kobner phenomenon. Environmental factors, being exposed to a lot of chemicals, and also obesity can also lead into or have a higher risk. This section of people will have a higher risk of developing psoriasis. Causes, as we have already discussed, the family history, that is the genetic history, mother, father, maternal, paternal, siblings having psoriasis, there can be a higher chance that you will be also suffering from psoriasis. Stress, see, nowadays usually psoriasis was not prevalent in India. It was much more prevalent in the western states because of the diet changes or the amount of food that they consume, the stress that they used to have. But because of the more urbanization the India is going on, we are seeing a rise in the psoriasis cases. Why is there a rise in the psoriasis cases? Is because of stress. People who are having improper lifestyle, improper sleep cycle, people are having a family history are more prone to psoriasis. Even if you have like improper work life balance and you're stressed out for a longer period of time, a small cut on the skin, a small cream, even which does not have any sort of side effects, can also trigger psoriasis. So remember, the stress is the main component, especially for the Indian population, for the growing cases of psoriasis. Weather changes and also infections, having low immunity continuously under infections can also lead into psoriasis. And skin injuries, we have discussed, cuts, abrasion, wounds or burns, if you're under stress, can cause psoriasis. And in some people, these burns or these cuts can form keloids, that is hypertrophic scars as well, especially under stress. So stress is the main component along with the genetic factor. Coming to the consultation part, say if you're suffering from psoriasis, eczema, any other skin diseases, you're looking for proper cure, and also you're looking for a good, better form of treatment, then you should be consulting Fidicus Homeopathy. So in Fidicus Homeopathy, we have in-person consultation and also online consultation. If you're staying near the nearest branch of Fidicus, we would advise you to come in person and consult us. No, if you're staying away, far away, you can get an online consultation. We have two options here. One is audio consultation and the other one is video consultation. And after the consultation, if you have any sort of skin investigations, you can share it with us. And if you need any more, we will ask you to get a skin examination or an investigation done. After the doctor consultation, the medicine will be delivered to you directly to your doorstep. If you're staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, it can take 3 to 5 business days. And anywhere across the globe, it can take 4 to 8 business days for our medicines to reach your doorstep. If you would like to get in touch with us, you can call through this number or WhatsApp us or ping us or messages on this number. If you would like to know more about Fidicus Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fidicus.com. If you are suffering from psoriasis or any other skin diseases, if you're looking for top sort of treatment, you're looking for a proper cure, doctors who will treat you properly, then you should opt for Fidicus Homeopathy. Why should you opt for Fidicus Homeopathy? Because it stands for highest chance of health. Here, because they are already treating patients who are suffering from psoriasis and other skin diseases, and the success rate is really good. We have high success rates, the transparent treatment, there's no gray area between the patient and the doctor, and also the personal care here at Fidicus, that is if you're having any sort of myths, any sort of doubts, what about doubts about your prognosis, all of this will be educated, and also the personal care is really good in Fidicus. So if you want to opt for cure, opt for Fidicus Homeopathy. Thank you.